Most people believe starting a profitable business in 2025 demands huge investments or complicated setups, but that's far from the truth. Right now, small and affordable machines are quietly helping everyday people turn simple ideas into serious income. From snacks to household essentials, these hidden tools are changing lives. In this video, you'll discover 7 low-cost machines and 1 powerful bonus that could launch your own success story this year. Welcome to today's video where we'll explore 7 powerful machines that can transform small investments into steady income in 2025. These are not complicated or expensive setups. You can start many of them right from home. And if you stick around until the very end, I'll reveal a bonus machine that might be the smartest tool you add this year. All purchase links are in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe. We're on the road to 10,000 supporters. Machine 1, Food Dehydrator. The first machine on our list is the Food Dehydrator, a simple but powerful tool that can turn fresh ingredients into profitable products. A dehydrator removes moisture from fruits, vegetables, herbs, and even meat using steady airflow and gentle heat. Small units start at around $50. While larger models with multiple trays can cost up to $300. The process is straightforward. Slice your ingredients, place them on trays, set the temperature, and let the machine run until they're dry and crisp. Products like fruit chips, jerky, and dried herbs are always in demand. For example, a 10-tray dehydrator can process 2 kilograms of fruit chips per batch. Selling at $20 per kilogram means $40 profit from one cycle. Running just 2 or 3 batches daily could earn $2,000 or more per month. These snacks sell easily at farmers markets, grocery stores, or online platforms like Etsy. Machine 2, Nut Coating Machine. The second machine is the nut coating machine, also known as a panning machine. It's designed to turn plain nuts into delicious gourmet products. Small tabletop models are available from $300 to $700, making them affordable for home-based businesses. Here's how it works. Place roasted nuts into the round spinning pan, then slowly add melted chocolate, sugar syrup, or honey. The machine coats each nut evenly, producing glossy, irresistible snacks. With this, you can create chocolate-covered almonds, sugar-coated cashews, honey-roasted peanuts, or yogurt raisins. A single batch can produce around 2 kilograms of coated nuts. Selling them in 200-gram packs for $6 each generates about $60 in sales. After subtracting costs, the profit margin stays strong. Just a few batches per day could bring in $100 to $300 daily. These treats sell easily at coffee shops, supermarkets, gift boxes, and online stores. Machine 3. Korean Bingsu Ice Cream Machine. The Korean Bingsu ice cream machine makes soft, fluffy, snow-like ice that's become a global dessert trend. Small business machines cost $260 to $800, ideal for kitchens or dessert stalls. Operation is simple. Place ice blocks or frozen milk inside, shave them into flakes, and add toppings like fruit, syrup, or condensed milk. Popular variations include mango, strawberry, and coffee flavors. The profits are excellent. Each serving costs about $1 to make and sells for $5, leaving $4 profit. Selling just 50 bowls daily brings in $200 or $3,000 to $6,000 per month, boosted by social media appeal. Machine 4, Hanger Making Machine. The hanger making machine transforms wire or wooden blanks into finished clothing hangers. Compact wire units start at about $2,900, while semi-automatic wooden models cost more. Using it is simple. Feed the material into the machine, adjust size and hook angle, and it shapes and cuts automatically. You can produce standard wire hangers, sturdy wooden hangers, or padded versions for premium clothing. A compact unit makes 100 hangers per hour. Selling them at 50 cents to $1 each, a 6-hour day generates $300 to $600 revenue. Operating just 3 days weekly can earn $1,000 to $2,400 per month, targeting tailors, shops, and wholesale buyers. Machine 5, Dough divider and rounder machine. The fifth machine is the dough divider and rounder, perfect for small bakeries or home kitchens. It cuts large dough pieces into equal portions and rolls them into smooth, uniform balls. Compact models start at around $600, while bigger versions cost more. Using it is simple. Load dough, set the target weight, and let the machine divide and shape each piece. It ensures consistent size, which is crucial for buns, rolls, pizzas, and steamed bread. For example, if one batch produces 200 burger buns sold at $1 each, that's $200 revenue. With ingredient costs around $20 to $50, profits remain high. Running 5 days a week at this pace could generate $4,000 monthly, selling to restaurants, cafes, or through delivery apps. Machine 6, garlic peeling machine. The garlic peeling machine is a time-saving tool that removes garlic skins quickly using compressed air or friction. Small models cost $100 to $300, while larger ones suit restaurants. Operation is simple. Place garlic bulbs in the hopper, start the cycle, and clean cloves drop into a container. With this, you can sell peeled garlic, minced garlic jars, frozen cubes, or paste. A compact unit can process 20 kilograms per hour, enough to fill dozens of jars. Selling each at $3 to $5 with only $1 cost means solid margins. Just 50 jars daily could earn $3,000 to $6,000 per month. Machine 7. Tart shell making machine. The tart shell making machine is perfect for bakeries and dessert businesses. It presses dough into uniform tart bases ready for baking. Small tabletop models start at a few $100s, while advanced automated units cost several thousand. Operation is simple. Portion dough into the mold, press, and bake. Some machines even include heating plates for faster results. Products include egg tarts, fruit tarts, mini pies, and quiches. Selling 100 tarts a day at $2 to $4 each generates $200 to $400 revenue. Running 20 days monthly could mean $4,000 to $8,000 income, especially with attractive packaging and combo dessert boxes. If you're finding these machines helpful so far, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next money-making idea. Heat sealer. The bonus machine is the heat sealer, one of the most underrated tools for small businesses. This simple device seals products in airtight, professional-looking bags that protect freshness and extend a shelf life. Compact handheld models start at just $30, while continuous band sealers cost $200 to $600. Almost anything can be packaged with it. Dried fruit, cookies, coffee beans, powdered spices, or even cosmetics. The process takes only seconds. Place the filled bag on the machine and seal it shut. Professional packaging not only keeps products safe, but also boosts trust, lets you charge higher prices, and increases sales velocity. These were 7 powerful low-cost machines you can start with today, plus the bonus heat sealer that takes your business to the next level. Each one proves you don't need a massive budget to build a steady income in 2025. You just need the right tools and consistency.